Hi! In front of me is Oppo Find X3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this smartphone. First of all, go into device settings. Over here you need to choose personalizations and click on wallpapers. Pick one of those sources. I will go with live ones, select the best one for you and tap on apply. Then select home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of the options. Now you can select always on display, enable or disable this feature over here and customize it below by, for example, selecting clock and choosing apply. Go back, tap on icon styles and select one of those, or click on custom, pick shape of your icons and adjust them even more using the sliders below. Then go back, tap on app layout and pick number of columns and rows. Now select fingerprint animation, fingerprint series, colors. You can go with one of those themes or select singular one. I will go with cool. Then tap on apply, select font and display size. Select apply to save your changes and tap on notification row. Pick shape of icons in tab menu. I will go with that one. And then click on Edge Lightning and tap on notifications received when screen is off. Select one of those colors, like neon purple, go back and now when I click home button, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!